Delicious homemade churros is so easy to make. Ingredients that you need are plain flour, baking powder, oil. Use a neutral oil like vegetable or sunflower oil. Add it together into a bowl with your baking powder and the flour. Add a pinch of salt to the mixture, and the final ingredient that you need is hot boiling water, literally pouring from your kettle, and then add into the mixture. This is essential. You need to use boiling hot water. Mix it up together. You will see that it will start to form a dough-like consistency. This is what you should be aiming for. Are you a subscriber to Dr. Mommy Cakes? If you are not, you are missing out on all my great tutorials specially designed for baking beginners like you. So please consider subscribing today. So you can see that the dough, it looks a little bit gloggy, but this is what it should look like, and it will come together nicely when you fry it. So this is what your dough should look like. Next, we're going to start to prepare the dough by putting it into a piping bag. If possible, use a large star-shaped piping tip to get that classical churros shape. But if you don't have a piping tip, you can just use a piping bag and snip off the end. The reason that you use a piping bag is that it will make it easy to pipe it into the hot oil. So you want to heat up oil into a deep saucepan and heat it up on medium heat until the oil has reached boiling temperature. Then you want to put your churros in. So you can see that I use a scissors to snip the churros, and this is probably the easiest way to do things. You want to fry it on medium heat until it's golden brown. Each churros will probably take about a minute or two to fry on each side. You can see the first batch is starting to brown nicely, so I've added some more churros to the mixture, and this is what it should look like, nice and golden brown. So repeat until all the churros have been fried. Put it into a bowl with some kitchen paper to drain out the excess oil. Were you surprised when we were making the batter that there was no sugar in it? That's because the sweetness for churros comes from the sugar dusting. So to make the sugar dusting, we've combined caster sugar and some cinnamon together, mix it all together, and we're going to roll each individual churros into the sugar. This is what makes the churros taste nice and sweet. It's the dusting of the sugar. So do that until all the churros have been coated in the sugar and it's ready to eat. And that, home bakers, is just how easy it is to make amazing churros at home. Look at the ingredients you need, stuff that you probably already have in your kitchen pantry. So what's stopping you from making amazing churros? So easy to make. In less than 15 minutes, you've whipped up a sweet, delicious treat for you and your loved ones to eat. So do try this out. If you've got any questions, put it in the comments box and I will always answer every single question or comments or likes. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You don't want to miss out on all my great tutorials.